True Life is in the top 3 manufacturer of orthotics and prosthetics in the world. We produce hips, knee replacement, ankle replacements, all external products, no internal. One of the biggest things that the Waterjet was purchased for was the R&D department in the beginning to develop a new knee brace. And it was purchased for research and development. They did some development on it, and then we realized how much we could use it in every day of manufacturing, so then we started implementing it into our manufacturing. For example, we had a part that basically took 6 operations and started out in the die. Where the Waterjet came into play was we could eliminate 4 of those entities or 4 of those operations. We could go right to the cut periphery. We could machine the periphery right at the Waterjet. The design would allow for that. Then we'd ream out the tight features, and then we'd tumble burnish, and it's right out to the customer. We use the Waterjet as well to produce tooling to support machines, and we've built machines from the Waterjet that saved us so much time of cutting the peripheries out of 4x8 chunks of aluminum. We could go right to that net shape, take it to the next operation, machine it, and it's off into the machine. We use our Waterjet to cut all types of materials, from plastics, rubbers, carbon fiber, titanium. We've even cut crystal on it, glass on it, plastics, cardboard, rubber, silicones, wood. There's no limitation to what we have to cut on it, what we would cut on it. I would say that the Waterjet's more efficient than our dies. If we have to make an engineering change, we'd have to retool up the die itself. Many hours, lots of time, cost. Where our Waterjet would be more efficient, we could take a part that if they changed a geometry profile perhaps, 2 to 3 thousandths, we could run that same part on the Waterjet and change it on the fly, if you will. Precision is very important to us here at True Life. A lot of our prosthetics and orthotics are plus or minus 5 thousandths, so the cut clarity of the Waterjet when it produces their product is very, very close tolerance. We can cut a limo, for example, which is a type of knee brace that we produce. We Waterjet 90% of the periphery. Titanium is very expensive at this point. For a 3-inch diameter, 1/2 inch thick, it's right around $50-some. So our impact on the Waterjet is our shapes are net. We can go right into that finished dimension, no scrappage. We've proved out all of our geometry. Our tool paths are saved, backed up. The availability to retrofit my older machine with newer technology, the advantage of that to us is tremendous, because it doesn't lock us into running out to the market and buying an updated machine. It allows us to work with what we have, to be supported with what we have. And then when time permits or budgets permits, then we would possibly upgrade. Our prosthetics reach people all the way in different corners of the world that we have no idea exactly where everybody is using them. We are each day reinventing new items to come up with that we can produce on the Waterjet. I don't know how I would manufacture quite a bit of my product without the OMAX Waterjet.